So here we are at the Night of Honor Gala page for American Hero Adventures. And what I want to show you how to do in this particular video is go ahead and actually create an event like what we're seeing right here. This is a page for the Gala event. So what I'm going to do is just create a simple event, a test event, so you can go ahead and see the process for creating an event here. So I'm going to go ahead and come into the administrative dashboard here, and you can see I'm logged in because I'm able to access it via the admin taskbar up here. I'm going to come over here down to Calendarize IT, and this is the event management program in here. Now I can click on events to see new events, and it will go ahead and take me to a list of new events. And I can add a new event by either clicking here, add new event, or if I'm already on this screen, there's another button right up here. So I can click on to add a new event. They both go to the exact same place. And so I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick label of test event. Then I'm going to pull in some placeholder text right here that I have. And I'm going to put it in here. This is going to be the main content. Now over here it's going to ask me right here, we've got calendars, and we want to go ahead and select upcoming events, so this shows up in our upcoming events calendar. Then we'll scroll down. If we want to add an organizer, we can. If we want to add a venue, we can do that too. Go ahead and select what venue it is, and if there's not a venue here, we can go ahead and add a venue. We could just say that this was going to take place in Salem, Oregon. And we can click Add Venue, and then that will go ahead and take and add that venue here and already have it selected for us. So I'm going to scroll down, and we can go ahead and set our event image here, and we've got several images. We've got the featured image, the event top page image, and then another featured image. And we need to set these three. The event detail box image we don't need to set, but we need to set these all with the same image. And so I'm going to come over here, and I have an image for our test event banner, and I'm just going to go ahead and drag it and drop it into here. And then that's going to upload it. Not only is it going to put it in place in our first event featured image right there, but it's also going to upload that to the media library. So then I'm also going to add that exact same image as the event top page image, and then down below as the featured image. Select that as well. And I'm going to leave the event detail box image blank. That's the only one that you don't want to do. So you've got the first two and the last one. The event detail box image you leave blank. And then the only other thing you want to do is you may want to change the author on this to denote it should automatically have it. If you're logged in as Troy, it'll automatically have it as Troy. If you're logged in under another account, then you'll want to change that too. But it should automatically show whoever is currently as the author. It should automatically show whoever is currently logged in as the author. Then go ahead and scroll up, and we're going to go ahead and select the date for this event. I'm going to go ahead and say this is on November 27th. And let's say that it goes through till the 29th. So that's how I'm going to select. I'm going to select the day that I want, and it's going to start me on that day. It's going to bring up this little event right here. It's going to start me on this day, and then I can come over here and select when that event ends. If it goes into the next month, I can just scroll back and forth between months like that and go ahead and denote when that's going to end. And once you've got those dates like you want, just click Accept, and it will go ahead and now mark that on the calendar. So now that we've done all of that, we've given our event a title, we have put some content in here, we have selected the upcoming events calendar, we added a venue, and oh, I'm sorry, see, as we say, just added Oregon, you want to actually add, when you're adding a venue here, let me show you something, you want to actually go like this, go Salem-Oregon. And add a venue that way. We'll go ahead and remove that, and that allows that to come in there. When we put a comma in here, we have to do, if we want a comma to do that, we can do that, but we actually have to come over here to venues and put that in manually to get a comma to work. You can put a dash in here in this, and that will work right there. And then we've scrolled down here, and we've added our banner, our full-size banner, as the event featured image, as the event page top image, and as the featured image. We've left the event detail box image blank, and then we have set our time over here on the calendar We went ahead and set that. And we can also move between months right here. But we went ahead and added this here into our calendar by selecting the day that we want to add, and it will bring this down, and then completing both the day and the end day right here, selecting that, and then clicking accept. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and click publish. Okay, so what's happened here is this happens a lot with the site. Unfortunately, the connection to the server has been lost, unfortunately, and it can take a little bit to come back. And this publish icon will not be available until it gets the connection to the server back. So I'm going to pause this until we get the connection to the server back, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once we've got all that done, we just go ahead and click on publish, and it will go ahead and publish our event. And now that we've got our event published, we can go ahead and come out here and take a look at our event. And we'll see that we have our test adventure banner right up here, and we've got our information that we placed in here right below here. So now that we've got our test adventure, now we want to come over here to the home page. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to update the home page with the banner for the new, let's see, where are they? Right up here, with the banner for the new upcoming adventures. And then we're going to, in the video after that, show you how to actually update the adventures pages. So we'll be right back in just a second.